like ragweed seeds. But I won't have to pass them anymore since I finally let you leave. I was on down and ran a stoplight, but there was no one around to see.
That's
The
great.
sign still on that it was my fault. The redbuds always look purple to me. I wake up and shake off the alcohol, keep on before my feet hit the floor like an ecstasy. You're not next to me, can't keep on this retreat. Your friends and family don't know what's best. They've probably never been as in love as I am, but you don't